Today I'm talking about trolling motors and the right propeller to get the best performance. Take it away, Darren.
9 times out of 10, when I get a call from somebody and says, I have a trolling motor, I know the next words that are coming out of their mouth is, we go too fast. Many of these motors have accommodated propulsion techniques to troll down slower, but a lot of them are pushing boats too fast and you're outrunning your fish. We can modify a propeller and or assess the propeller that you have on your application. If it has too much pitch, this is a different application than performance. We want slow and maneuverability. So your propeller needs to be flat pitch and possibly large diameter for stoppability and maneuverability if you need to turn. Your Yamaha 4-strokes have great applications with props that are flat in pitch, but many times still they're trolling you too fast. So we can modify your particular prop if there's no other props that are available in a flatter pitch application. Most of your 2-stroke motors, you can just pretty much figure they're going to troll too fast. Give us a call and we can take care of that for you. Just let us know what you are running by looking in the side of your prop, and the dimensions are stamped right on the side of the prop. Your diameter and pitch is what we'd like to know. Once I know that, I can tell you whether or not there's anything available out of the box, or we need to modify your particular prop or a prop like yours so you can troll and catch the fish like we're gonna catch.
That looks like a walleye. You got us a nice walleye.
Nice. Excellent.
Reel all the way to the stop. All right.
Sweet. All right, man. See, that's one of my first walleye I've even seen out of this lake.
And that's off that bottom walker setup.
Yep.
Love it.
That's a nice one.